السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. ده امتحان ديجيتال سات ماث، وأنا معكم أستاذ سعيد المهدي. أنا مدرس سات ماث and ACT ماث EST ماث، مدرس طلبة الأمريكان دبلومة والآي جي. لو طالب يحب ياخد درس أو كورسات سات أو ما أو ACT أو EST، ممكن يتواصل معايا على الأرقام اللي في الديسكريبشن في اليوتيوب. ده هنا هحل امتحان سات 22 questions إن شاء الله. An automobile factory makes 1,200 vehicles in one day. If the factory operates continuously for 1 week, يعني 7 days, at this rate, how many vehicles will it make? So 1,200 times 7 days, which is 12 times 7 is 84 and 2 zeros. So the answer is 84 hundredths. If 10a equals 30, what is the value of 9a? 10a equals 30. We divide by 10, divide by 10. A is equal to 3. Now he needs 9a. 9a means 9 times 3, which is 27. So the answer is 27. Daula baked 340 cookies and gave 20% of them. So 20% of them means 20% multiply this. 20% multiply 340 to her neighbors. How many of the cookies did Daula give to her neighbors? So 20% multiply 340. This is 20 over 100 multiply 340. 0 cancels with 0, 0 cancels 0. 2 multiply 34 is 68. So the answer is 68. The function h is defined by the given equation. When x is equal to 6, what is the value of h of x? So h of x, which is mean h of 6, equals 11 multiply 6 minus 5. This is 66 minus 5, which is 61. Answer is 61. The distribution of 469 dogs that visited a dog park over an 11-day period is shown in the bar graph. How many dogs visited the dog park on day 7? Day 7 is here. So this number is 50. Number of dogs is 50. So the answer is 50. The graph shown intercepts the x-axis at x0. So this point is x-axis. This is x-axis, x0. This is -5, -4, -5, -6. What's the value of x? X is -5. Answer is -5. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 14a plus 7b? We have 2a, 7a, 7a, 7a. So 90% of the answers will be here. This will be incorrect, but 14 and 7, we can take 7 common factor. A and A, we can take A common factor. Now we divide 14a divided by 7a and 7ab squared divided by 7a, because we took 7a common factor. So 7a, 14 divided 7 is 2, a divided a cancels out, plus 7 times divided 7 is 1, a divided a is 1, and a, b squared. So the answer is 2 plus b squared. The answer is b. Rectangle A has a length of 80 with width of 24. What is the perimeter? Perimeter, we add all numbers, all outside lengths. 80 plus another 80 plus 24 plus another 24. 80 plus 80, 160, 24 plus 24, 48. So this is 208. So the answer is 208. This is the point with coordinates 3n. 3n somewhere here lies on the line shown. What is the value of n? So n is a fraction like this. So we need to find the equation of this line. This point is at 0, 5. This point is at 12, 0. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is y, this is x and y, this is x and y. Let's make this 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. So y2 is 0 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 is 12 minus 0. So it is negative 5 over 12. This is the slope. So the equation is negative 5 over 12x plus b. b here is y-intercept, which is just the 5. So the equation is 5. Now x is 3. What is y? Y is equal to negative 5 over 12 multiplied by 3 plus 6. So it is plus 5. Negative 5 over divided 3 equals 1, divided 3 equals 4. So 5 over 4 plus 5 over 1. Use calculator or negative 5 over 4 plus 5 over 1. We can multiply by 4 by 4. This is over 420. So 20 minus 5 is 15 over 4. The answer is 15 over 4. A magician has a hat with 18 cards inside. Inside. The face of each card has a number from 1 to 18 written on it. What is with a different number on each card? If the magician takes out a single card, what is the probability that the number written on it is not 6? So probability of 6 is just one number divided by 18 numbers. This is probability of 6. Probability of not 6 is just 1 minus 1 over 18. 1 minus probability of 6, which is 1. 1 minus 1 over 18 is 18 over 18 minus 1 over 18. And this is 17 over 18. So the answer is 17 over 18. The function g is defined by g of x equals negative 2 x squared. What is the value of g of 3? G of 3, you substitute x equal to 3. Negative 2 times 3 squared. It is negative 2 multiply 9, which is negative 18. Answer is negative 18. In the figure shown, line B intersects parallel lines P and R. What is the value of D? So D is equal to this angle, and this angle is supplementary with this angle. Both angles add to 180. Let's say this is x, so x plus 148 is equal to 180. Subtract 148, subtract 148. This cancels out, so x is equal to, this is 32. Answer is 32. Which of the following equations could define the line of best fit for the scatter plot shown? So we start at 13. So this is negative 13 is not correct. Negative 13 is not correct. 13 and 13, this might be correct. This might be correct. This 0.7 slope is positive slope. Line is going up. This is not correct. So the slope is negative because the line is going down. Negative slope, negative 0.7. So this is the answer. There are 20 values of data set R represented by the dot plot shown. Data set S is created by subtracting 8 from each of the values. So we subtract 8, like we go 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is data set S. And this is data set R. Now, which of the following correctly compares the ranges? The range is the same because range is always difference between greatest and least. 6 minus 2 is 4. And range here, difference between greatest and least. So 14 minus 10 is 4. So ranges are equal. So the range is less than, this is not correct. Range is less than, this is not correct. Range is equal, this might be correct. Range is equal, this might be correct. Now, range and what? Means. Mean is the average. Average, we add all numbers divided by their number. So from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, with these repeated, the mean is something here. Mean will be 12 because the shape is symmetry. Mean of R is just 12, and mean of S is just this number because the shape is symmetry. So the mean, without adding or subtracting, it is 4. So the mean of S or R should be greater than. Mean of R is less than. This is not correct. Mean of R, the mean of dataset S is equal. No, it is not equal. Mean of S is less than. Yes, this is correct. So the correct answer is D. Okay. It is said here, during a video game session, a player scored a total of 1,000 points for C corporative missions and S solo missions. The equation 20C plus 25S equals 1,000 represented the situation which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 25 in this context. 25 is S. S is solo mission. So solo mission points is 25 for each solo mission. The player completed 25 corporated missions? No. The player scored 25 points for each corporative. 25 for C? No. This is not correct. The player completed 25 solo? No. The player scored 25 points for each solo? Yes. So the solo cost or gives 25 points. The function g is defined by the given equation. If g of x equals 5, what is the value of x? So g of x equals 5, and this is equal to square root x divided by 2. We cross multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 equals square root x. To solve for x, we power squaring power 2 here and power 2 here. Power 2 cancel roots, so x is equal to 10 power 2, which is 100. So the answer is 100. Y equals x squared minus 7y, and x equals negative 7. When graphed in the xy plane, the given equation intersects at xy. What is the value of y? So x is equal to negative 7. We substitute this here in this equation. So y is equal to negative 7 between brackets squared minus 7. This is positive 49 minus 7. This is 42. So the answer is 42. Question number 18. A partial graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane is shown which of the following is the value of f of 0? F of 0, this is f of 0. This is 0x. F of 0, f of x is equal to 0. This is x-axis, x is equal 1, x is equal negative 1. So x is equal to 0. F of 0 is negative 5. So the answer is negative 5. Which of the following equations defines a line in the xy plane that has slope of, so slope, this is y 1 over 6. So the equation is mx plus b and passes through this point. So mx, the equation is 1 over 6 x plus b, passes through x and y. So 1 over 6 x is 12 and y is negative 7 plus b. This is 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 plus b equals negative 7. To solve for b, we subtract 2 from both sides. 2 minus 2 is 0. So b is negative 9. So the equation y equals 1 over 6x minus 9. Minus 9 minus 9. This is the equation. How many distinct real solutions does the equation? Distinct real solution, we calculate this discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, it will have two solutions. If it is less than 0, it has no real solution. If discriminant equal to 0, this means it has only one solution. So infinitely many solution is not correct. So this is b is negative 8, and a is 4, and c is negative 5. B squared is negative 8 squared, which is Positive 64 minus 4 times A, 4 times 4, and C is negative 5. This is 16. Negative multiply negative is positive. 4 times 4, 16 times 5, 80. So 64 plus 80 is positive number. So it has two solutions. We don't need to calculate it. It just has two solutions. It is because discriminant is positive. This one, a jar contains a total of 37 red and blue. So red and blue tokens, the total, used to play a game. The mass of one red token is 90 grams. So we 90 multiply red, and the mass of one blue token is 120, 100 times blue. If the combined mass is 3,810, and red and blue is 37, so red plus blue is 37. So this is system of equations, so system of linear equations. How many red, well, how many of the blue tokens? So we need to find blue. Blue, we can say this is x, y, x, y, and we need to find y. In the calculator, we can use Desmos and find y, and we can use calculator using mode 5.1. Using calculator mode 5.1, system of equations, we will write mode and 5 and 1. And this is 90, so we write 90, 120, 3,810, and this R1 and B is 1, and the sum is 37. So we write these numbers here. We write 90, 120, 3,810, 1, 137. X is 21. We don't need X. Y is 16. This is B. Blue tokens are 21. Y. Circle R is defined by the equation this. So if the circle, so we need to know that the center is at -3, comma 0. This is 0. And radius is, this is radius squared. So radius is square root 64, which is 8. If circle S, this is circle R, this is for circle R. If circle S is the result of shifting the graph of circle R 7 units to the right. So to the right, we add to this 7. So -3 plus 7 is 4. And Y we don't, so Y is still the same thing, and the radius still the same radius, which is same 8. So radius squared was still 64. So to said here, what is the equation? So the equation is x minus 4 squared plus y squared, because y, nothing is subtracted from y, equals 64. This should be the equation. Not correct. This is the correct answer. That's it. Inshallah, I see you in next test. وإن شاء الله عندكم امتحانات قريب. لو في طلبة عايزين ياخدوا كورسات سات أو أكت، ممكن يتواصلوا معايا. أنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي، وده رقمي 0100 99 38 411. طبعا مصر 002. والرقم موجود في الديسكريبشن، ولو حد عنده سؤال ممكن يكتب لي في التعليقات. استودعكم الله الذي لا تضيع ودائعه. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.